Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of this project. So far so good. We're able to build the home page and the subsection. We have the overview, the sales, the profit, as well as adding functionality to it to go back to the home page and moving to another different complete page, which is the help page, and also another functionality to go back to the home page. So for this video, we're going to be adding another page for the overview and add some little visuals to it. So I'll allow you guys to build the sales and the profit. I'm just going to build only the overview page. Then you can use the same method to build the sales and the profit page. If you get confused or you made a mistake, just drop the steps in which you got lost in the comment section and I'll be glad to help. So if you have followed me from the beginning to this part of the video, then I'm very sure that you're enjoying this project. So if you haven't liked this video or you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please feel free to like this video as well as hitting that particular subscribe button. So let's jump right into the business of the day. So I have my bookmarks and my selection here already open, so everything is grouped already, so it's very easy for me to close the ones that I don't want to include in my new page. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and copy this because we are building a page for it, so I'll need that button. So I'll just go ahead and close this expand page here. So let me paste that here and drag it right in the middle. So this is like, I don't need it to like hover anymore. It's like I want it to like, it's clicked, so it should be like the brown color should just remain. So I need to also work on that. So I'll come to my format. I want it to be on default, so it's on default already. So I'll go to my style and the color, I'll change the color to brown. So now you can see there's the color here is now brown. So I've already got some data sets already, financial data set. It's a default data set, it's a sample data set. You can just go ahead and get it from the help. If you come to help, go to examples and you download the sample data set. So let's look at what we have in the data set here. You can see here, let me open it. We have some little cells and by product, as well as some segments, year and all that. So let's just do a little design here to show how we can add visuals to our in-page navigation app. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this so you can look at this properly very well from your end. So first of all, let's add a stack bar chart. We drag it and keep it down right here, and let's expand it a little bit. That's okay. This Q&A keep coming up. So I need a sales by product. So let's do the sales by product. So we're going to add some little design to it to match with our app. You say we use black and brown and some little white, so let's do some little design. This is not really necessary, but just to kind of show you how this can be done as well. So first of all, let's start with our y-axis. I like time new Roman, and I want the color to be dark, and I want it to be bold. So let's see for the title. Let's do the same thing for the title as well. Let's add a times new Roman and let's make it bold as well. So same thing goes for the y-axis. The values, I want it to be times new Roman, and I want it bold and I want it black. And the same thing goes for the title as well. The same font, times new Roman, bold and dark. I think our video is coming to life now. So let's look at bars. So there's something I want to do. This doesn't really it just shows from grade to highs, but let's just make this look a little bit like cool. So like the lowest, the medium, then the highest, so we can see kind of a little difference from it. So to do that, just click on this. I think I've clicked on that already. Let's hold on for it to load. It's a default color bar, so we're going to add like a middle color. So the lowest color, I want it to be something like this, like a light brown. Then maybe this can take this here, then this can take the last one, which is very thick. So I think this kind of shows it different. So now if we add this, now we're going to have a legend, right? Yeah, we're going to have a legend. So we have a legend to edit as well. So let's come back here. We have a legend here to edit. So I want my legend to be top center, and I want the text to have the same style. Don't worry, we won't be doing everything for every video. We just have to just translate the design to others. So my title, I want it to also have the same font color. This, everything I'm doing is not really necessary. It's not a must. It's you can choose to skip this part or just learn and also add to your knowledge as well. So we have built some of sales by product. So let's do it by segment. So let's bring another stack chart here. Let's add down here. Let's expand this. As I've said earlier, you're going to be building the one for profit and the one for sales and profit on your own. Just do the same step I use in achieving this to do that as well. So now we have done some of sales, so let's do some of profit by product. Let's know if actually the same product that has the same. So in order for us to maintain the same design, we can just come here and click on this. Just click on this, come to format painter and just format painter and just drop it on this, and it takes the same design, so you don't have to waste time. So you can see the product with the highest sales also had the highest profit, and same way it went for this, just that there was a switch here. This Amarilla switched with Velo, and I think the last product also maintained the same way along the profit as well. That's not really important here, but let's add a segment here, maybe in a year here, and let's see how that goes. So let's see the donut chart here. Let's put it right here. Make this a little bit wider. So I want this Q&A keeps coming up, messing up our design. Let me close it. So what do we open? We don't need that yet. So here we need this segment, and we need this sales by segment. Okay, just check sales by segment. Even if we format the color, we still have to touch it again because it's not the same. It's not the same chart, so it can't completely takes the format. So let me close this again. So let's just make it look the same thing like our app. I'm gonna come back here again, and let me go to detail labels, right? Values, is that values? Where is that located? Is this slices? Yeah. And the colors are so different. They are so different. How can I make this look the same thing as this? I want us to have it like the same in page design. It's not really important, but I'm just fond of making my designs looks like amazing and all that. We'll come back to this later. We are wasting time on that, so let's go and add the one for the year. So for that, we're going to bring in a line chart. A line chart, I think, for the month. So let's just do profit per month. Let me see. We did sum of sales here, so let's do profit per month name. That works, right? So let's keep the same design all over. Let's see, does it work? Yeah, but it still has a blue line here. So since I have a blue line here, maybe we should just leave it. Let's just allow it to keep that. And let's see, I don't know, how can I like change this? Yes, there must be a way for me to do this. For this video, I think we are okay, so let's just skip that. It's not part of the project, but you can see we've been able to build an overview page whereby we have the sum of sales by segment, sum of profit by month, the sum of sales by product, the sum of profit by product. And you can have a lot of pages here and a lot of pages in this app, and just share it, you publish it and you share it within your organization, and people can just use it to navigate it and look at it, and this will look really amazing. And just by looking at this alone, you are already falling in love with it. Let's just add some button here to go back to the expand page. So I'm going to come to insert here and add another button here. I want another back button here, so that I can use to go back to the expand page. So the same way I want to do this, you apply the same way in building the sales and profit page. And if you get confused, just go ahead and drop the steps wherever you miss in the comment section, and I'll do my best to assist you. So it's an icon. I just want to give it a white color. There's no much design there. Let's give it a white color. This is on a black background. That would look really nice. So bring my icons. So I wanted to have an action of bookmark, and I wanted to show expand. So can we go back, baby? Yeah, there you go. We came back, but we did have some guys here, so we need to hide this first. So let's go back to our overview page first. So let me open this and let's try to group this. So you can see the importance of grouping everything. If I left all of this button out here, I'll be kind of confused. I'll not know which is which. But you can see we have the home page and everything is just jam back, just appearing there. So let's group these. Let's group this and try to arrange the pages so that it will look all nice and clean. So here we'll have the overview page, we'll have the sum of sales, and we'll have this button here. So let's name this to back expand, right? So now I hold my control button, I select this, I select this, I select this, and this. So what we'll do now is go ahead and group this together, and then you can see, let me just hide it now. I seen it. Once we hide it, everything has gone back to the home page. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it the way it is, and let's call this overview page. That's overview page. So we don't want the expand to be there. We don't want expand to be there. We just want it to be only overview page. So this is only overview page. So let's create another bookmark now to only be for the overview page. So let's call this show overview page. So now let's go and clean some other pages. So let's first of all, let's go to the expand page, and let's close this now. You can see everything is all right. So I'll just go ahead and update it now, so it doesn't include the previous videos. I mean, let's come back to our home page again. Our home page is already nice and clean. We don't need to do any other updating here. The overview page is already locked. Let's come back here again to our expand page. Is cool as well. Our help page is also cool as well. Our overview page is also cool as well. So there you go. Let me update this. So one more thing you need to add is the action. I want to click on this here. I want to click on this here. I want it to take me into the overview page. So I'm going to open my expand page and click on overview. That's overview, the button. I'm going to add an action on it, and for the action I want it to be a bookmark, and I want it to show an overview page. So you see, that's how you do it. So once you build the page and you group it, you just come and add the action from here. Just come and select the page and add the action of the bookmark, and you take it to that page automatically. So now let's minimize everything and try out our app, and let's see if there is any other adjustment that we need to do. I think this is bold enough. So let's go back to the home page. Let's toggle this now. Let's go to the overview page. So you can see we're in our overview page, and let's go back. Okay, it's taking me back to the home page. It shouldn't be the home page. So you see, we need to add some correction there. This took me back straight to the home page. No, it didn't. So it works. So you go ahead and add the ones for the sales and the profit. I've already done the one for the overview page, and here you can see it. And I can go back to the home page. I can navigate to the help page, and so go back to the home page, expand it, and open this. Just for your own practice, just go ahead and do the one for sales and profit. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys all. Thank you for following me from the beginning to the end. God bless you.